In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix cloud status unable to sync with Steam. So let's get started. We're gonna look at various solutions, and the first one we have is check Steam server status. So check Steam server status. Alright, so visit their website, which is steamstat.us, to ensure Steam servers are online and functioning correctly. If there are any issues, wait for them to be resolved before proceeding. The next one is verify internet connection. Verify internet connection. So, ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Try connecting to other websites or online services to confirm connectivity. If there are any problems, troubleshoot your internet connection. The next one is restart and update Steam. So restart/update Steam. So close Steam completely and then reopen it, because this can sometimes resolve temporarily issues. And also make sure that Steam is up to date. You can launch Steam and check for available updates in the help menu. The next one we have is clear Steam cache. Clear Steam cache. So exit Steam completely and navigate to the following directly. And so as you can see, I'm just going to make an arrow from here to here. For Windows, this is where you have to go, okay? So if you go Windows C, program files, and you just have to go to this trajectory for Windows. For Mac OS, this is the following one, and for Linux, this is it. And once you're here, you have to delete the entire app cache folder, and this will clear Steam's cache and might resolve the issue. Now, if none of the above solutions work, then try reinstalling Steam. Make sure to back up any important settings or configurations before uninstalling. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.